Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tree map, and I'm going to add some office shapes to the tree map. I'm also going to add some gradient to the tree map to make it look a little more professional. So let's begin. I've made this chart. There's basically 3 cities, and there's different property types for each city. And what I want the total sales of houses, apartments, basically taking the number sold by the average price. So I want this number and I want to display it in a tree map. So under insert, you go to charts and select the middle icon here, tree map. Now we have to select our data. You right click, you can select data, or the other way to do it, I'm just going to delete this. You highlight everything in your data, then you go insert and you go tree map, and it'll automatically create it for you. In our case, it's showing the value of the house, 380, and I want this number here, the 205 million total sales. So now I go right click, select data, and under here we'll want the total sales. So the average price and numbers sold per year, I'm just going to remove. Okay, so that's done. As you can see, it's now $205 million total sales for City A. Okay, another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make it bigger so all the words appear properly. You can add a chart title. You just click on here, total sales. Okay. In this case, I want to highlight the city with the most housing sales and the least housing sales. So it'll be City A and City C. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm just going to go now, insert shapes, and I'm going to select the sun to signify that it's good. I'm going to go select shape fill, yellow, shape effects, bevel, and just add that and make it quite big. For this one, I'm just going to use a cloud. Insert shapes. And the shape fill will be a little bit on the gray side. Shape effects, bevel. There we go. The other thing you can do, if you click on this and you go to the paintbrush here, chart styles. I believe under styles, there's a nice format here with the black. And then I think with this, I'm going to have to make the total sales a white color in order to see it, and make it bold actually. So that's okay, but that's what I want. Just for some effect. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to now select the city A. So select all 3 here, and then I'm going to go into chart design, format. Format is the one I want. Okay, gradient, and I'm just going to select this one here for the gradient, like so. I guess you can also make it brighter, a little bit brighter, and then just go gradient and then select that. Looks a little bit better. Then I'm going to go into this one, City B, and I'm going to select the gradient, whatever shows up, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the format here to the corner here, and you open this format, and then go into the fill, and then I'm just going to go into preset gradients, and I'm just going to select the orange like that, and then I'm going to go into the last one here, city C, gradient, and then pre-select. And then I'm just going to choose yellow like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful and you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you.